Crime and Bollywood, a brand new series, starts June 24th, 9:30 p.m. only on Zoom. 100% Bollywood.
अब हम आपको दिखाएंगे अमीषा पटेल का ऑब्सेशन। अमीषा का ऑब्सेशन है टुवर्ड्स हर हाई ब्रांड बैग्स जो उनके पास 100 से भी ज्यादा हैं। टेक अ लुक।
How many bags do you own?
Hundreds.
Hundreds.
This is the confessions of a shopaholic. Amisha Patel flaunts her designer class bags on an encounter with Zoom's editor-in-chief Omar Qureshi.
How many bags do you own?
Hundreds.
Hundreds.
The thing is, I keep them so well. They're like my babies, each one of them.
Well, Amisha ने तो यहाँ अपने बैग्स की बात कर दी, लेकिन चलिए ये जानते हैं कि ये इस हाई ब्रांड्स की मेंटेनेंस आखिर कैसे करती हैं।
Literally, it's a task. I put it down in my organizer that today is handbag cleaning day. So, when I get a day off, I'll take them all out. Some of them which have like this kind of fabric, more patent, they need to be aired. They need to be in the sun in order for them not to get sticky because our weather is so humid.
Right.
So, and you have special cleansing wipes to cleanse them.
You might also be a high maintenance girlfriend too, Amisha.
Better cheaper than diamonds at least,
Well said.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend, so it's better to give her a bag and keep her happy.
Like best friend and pets. These are pets, right?
My siblings.
Absolutely. This is sweet, yeah.
That's cute of you. बैग्स की बात हो रही है तो हमने अमीषा से पूछ ही लिया कि वो अपने को-स्टार्स को अपने कलेक्शंस में से कौन-कौन से बैग्स देंगी।
Ritik, for example.
Nice, compact, dashing. He'd be a clutch, I think. Shah Rukh is like larger than life, and he caters to everybody. So he would be an amazing stroller. Like you take him when you travel. Amir again, he'd be maybe. He's so perfect. He'd be like my wallet. He'd be like this, completely organized, sections for everything, compartments. Amir would be a wallet. Sanjay Dutt would be bold, manly, rugged. He would not be soft leather. He would be like functional. You can put him through any screening, the bag would come out as sturdy. Akshay Kumar would be one bag I could do action with. Maybe this is my gym bag, so it would be thrown here and there, and he would do action with it. Ranveer is cute and young and happy, and he'd be my little makeup case. Young and cute and sweet and like with me all the time. And Sunny Deol you miss.
Oh yes.
He can pack in a punch. He would be the strong little bag. Maybe the Burberry,
The Burberry.
He'd be a city bag.
The
one you
standard
carry, the
players
one
and
that
all.
can take all your junk and still look good. He'd be the city bag, yeah.
अमीषा, आपके मेल को-स्टार्स की बात तो हो गई, लेकिन क्या आपकी जैसे ही बॉलीवुड में से कोई और एक्ट्रेस उतनी ही स्टाइलिश है, या फिर कहें आपको किसकी स्टाइल है बेहद पसंद?
Sonam, I think, has a distinctive style of dressing. I think she's always well accessorized and different, and I think she's stylish. And she shares the birthday with me as well, 9th June, yeah. So I guess some common interests.
Well, सोनम को तो आपने भले ही सबसे स्टाइलिश होने का खिताब दे दिया हो, लेकिन ये तो बताइए that apart from your bags, what is your personal style statement?
I think you can get away with wearing, a really well-fitted pair of jeans and just a white t-shirt or shirt. If you have the right accessories, you can look wow.
So Amisha, tell us something. कि क्या आप एक luxury store खोलना चाहेंगी?
I think so many people are doing it and it needs a lot of time and commitment. So I would really need to do it when I had that sort of time to give. Because it's a passion, I would just not do it for the heck of it.
We surely agree by that. To catch more confessions of this shopaholic, watch an encounter with Omar Qureshi. Bureau Report, Zoom, Mumbai.